Hi guys, this is Alex back with another video, and today am going to show you how to download Gigabit Off-Road mod. So what you have to do is first go into Google. By the way, no iPhone. This does not work on iPhones, only on Androids. So you have to type in tutu app. You go into it, and when you click it, it should say install now. If you've already had it installed, then don't do it, but if you do, click this, follow the instructions. It's going to be a pain in my butt right now because I already have it downloaded and stuff. So yeah. So once you have it downloaded, if you want it to work correctly, exit it, delete it from the tab like this. Just go and just let me quickly delete it all. Go to Tutu app and wait for it to load. Four hours later. Yeah. And I don't upgrade it personally, just because it just, when I downloaded it, it ruined the whole thing, so do not do that. It does not help anything. It just makes your whole tablet or phone or whatever, practically useless. Then you want to type in, gigabit off-road. Usually you only have to write gig. Then it pulls up. First, then you click on it. You click, it should stay installed down here. And then once you're done, I usually look down through here and stuff. Like I see what mods there are. Then once you click back, click the cloud save. Then it should be like, hey, thing is unzipped, waiting for install. Then you install it. Like wait like 2 minutes after that, and then you should get your game downloaded. So you then have to click on it. Although I had already built this car, so I'm just gonna explain the parts for you guys. It's a black and orange Cherokee, nothing special. I will show you guys how to, like, I don't know, like, well, use the app. So yeah. Some people might not like the steering wheel option, some people might like it. There's also a phone tilt, which I don't like it. I think it's super stupid. I hate it. It's just not right, because how are you supposed to see it sideways? While we're still waiting, occasionally it doesn't like to start. Then you go down into here. And if you guys are wondering what my Instagram name is, it's Alex_aka_junior. Pretty simple. If you want to see the stuff that I do, I might just show you guys, like, my buggy. I have a real life buggy. Just waiting for it to load. It's not loading right. I think I actually have to delete it or reinstall it. Here. Doesn't like starting. Try going out and then back in. Go under it. Put it. Hold it. Sleep. Okay. Then you re-click on it. Then it's just being stupid. Yes, I did. I said the S word. Fight me. I actually think I might have to re-download it just because I've already like done it once and stuff. It usually survives my tablet about 3 days before I have to delete and re-download it. So you're gonna get a lot of videos within 3 days. So yeah. Let me just delete this and freaking ads. Yay. Let me go into here. Now, this is how you edit. Delete selected, confirm. Now you go to installed. I usually see if I can find it in here. Then you click on it. Here, let me just re-download it freaking again. GIG mod open. Let's see if it now wants to work or whatever. If not, just gonna close the tab. Yay, real funny game. So if you want to delete stuff, go here and click installed. Then you click the trash can. Hey, don't call me trash. Bleh. History. I usually go into history after this. Bike Unchained. I really enjoyed that game. Really, it's fun, but it's too easy to beat. Gigabit off-road. Party in church. Then you click download. Look through here again. Wee. Freaking hate re-downloading this game. Usually a pain in my butt, but nothing much. Now I'm just gonna wait, and I'm gonna edit this out for you guys. Just a little bit. And I'm back when it just says unpacking. I'll be back to you in just a second again. Bye. Just to give you guys an estimation on how long it takes to install. This is probably the worst part. It's a little boring, and I'll get back to you guys when for Gigabit Off-Road is Gucci. And we are back right before it's about to start. I'm sorry if I wasted 5 seconds. Oh my gosh. This is not normal, by the way. Freaking. Alright, let me choose a car. So I'm gonna build a Cherokee. Yeah, this ain't normal. I think it's actually the snow season theme, but it didn't give me any updates. Why is everything white and snowy? Is this meant to happen? I'm sorry guys, I have no clue what's going on. Let me actually check on stuff. I'm just gonna build the Cherokee and the cocaine. That's just because those things, it's not a cage just on the roof, it goes on the cage on the inside of the cab. I need to hurry before I don't know. I just want to hurry. That's what. Crap. This one, I'm gonna do, how about full scooped out, cause full yeet. I'm gonna do, I'm going to do for a rig, just, should I do leaf sprung or make it an IFS car? Oh yeah, sliders. That's what I need done. Okay, no sliders. That's alright. Way to go. This car is gonna be pretty stock. I'm kidding. I'm gonna go, I don't care on this car. It'd be cool if they actually turned it snowy and stuff, like for the Christmas season. But I doubt that. I just bet this is a glitch. You know what? Leaf sprung. Actually, since there's no sway bars in this game, boom, bop, bam. Same ride height. Let me do full no torque. Gonna be monster trucking. It'll only be right if I put on freaking IROX. I'm gonna run 49 IROX on this rig. Yep. Full, who cares? Black. Then everything else is gonna be orange instead of orange body, cause this looks already a lot cooler. What about red? That looks dope. Bam, bam. Bigger. Down. Black. Red. Black again. Alright guys, I'm gonna check back if this is, let me just start after I get controls. Steering wheel, just you turn and it's annoying for me, and manual. Please don't. So yeah, this is very oofed, cause guess what? There's a rock there, I think. Is that snow on the rocks? I'm gonna be back in just like freaking 1 second. I don't know what's going on. Alright guys, this is gonna be the big reveal if it's white everywhere or pure nothingness. So, what? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, so it turns out it was just a glitch. Thank goodness. I would have probably killed myself by the end of the day if it was white everywhere. Like, no, not at all. I do not like the white. It was hard to see everything. Like, probably gonna dim it for you guys. Like, oh my gosh, that one. See, since there's no sway bars in this game, the best thing to four-link with sway bar, leaf springs. Freaking, it's so stupid. Rap. But yeah, let's go test this rig out on the gauntlet. Actually, I think I might raise the suspension a bit. Lighten the axles. There. Gucci. And yeah. Who knows how much editing I'm going to put in this video. Might put none, might put a crap load. You guys will never know. Whee! That's the worst part about the startup on this map. It's just so chaotic here. There we go. Heading over to the gauntlet. I might show you guys a money making method later in a video, but if you guys actually use this app, you won't need the money making method. Think about it. Let's see if she can jump it in neutral. Whee! Oh, crap. Crap. And dead. Flex test. Now, I have no clue how long this video is going to be. Now let's try doing the Stairway of Death. Let's see if I can pull off the same trick that I did. Dang it, didn't do a barrel roll. Whee! Oh, I leave the goats alone when I have the mod. It just makes it look better everywhere if there's more goats, because it's like, oh, I'm OG-ness. I'm kidding. It's just, I don't like hitting goats. I've had goats before. Don't get too attached to them. They like eating rhododendron. And then they kill themselves. Ah! First try, first try, first try. I hate you, game. I know you're just gonna spin your tires right there. My opinion on SXs, they're trash. They're actual doo-doo. In real life and in this game. Sure, they make no difference, but it's just a look. IROCs look dope. SXs don't. The Super Swampers. These are radials, I think. So here's the thing. There's different compounds tires are used. There's sticky tires and then there's radial tires, which radial tires, no sticky. That means there's no grip advantage. How about I don't fall down this? But with stickies, there's grip advantage. And the hotter the tires get, the more sticky the tires get. It's just simple. But stickies in snow, hey, want to ruin a really expensive tire? There you go. Just, let's take the easy way, because I really don't feel like taking that hard way in a jerky. See, the problem with jerkies is that they break all the time. I don't know one dude who hasn't broken his Cherokee at least every time. I know one dude, but that's because he runs portal axles and like a full tubed buggy, like to where it doesn't even look like remotely like Cherokee. And he literally has, he says the only thing left that is Cherokee on his rig is maybe I can't remember. He said the I think it was the dash. He said dashboard. I can't remember, but it was something not very noticeable. But it was inside the cab. And whenever I crawl up to this top of this place, guess who sends down it? High gear, pinned. Because guess what? You can't break anything in this game. Whee! And if you're not subbed to Daquan, you need to get a life. Well, I mean, if you don't watch Daquan Loco on YouTube or Daquan TTV, by the way, then you need a life. 360. Let me get some toast, boy. And nope, no wheelies in this rig. So this will be the end of my video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.